It's 29th of May, October. Sorry, 29th of May, Saturday. And we are here, gathered here to pay our last respects to little Walnut, who fought a brave battle, but she didn't survive. She was with us yesterday. She was malnourished, undernourished, but she strove very hard to stay alive. Unfortunately, I think she passed away in the night. So we took care of her yesterday. Priyanka did mainly.
Slightly a few flowers down below.
And we are here to just, all of us are assembled here.
Dirty one, they dried ones. No, below. That one, yeah. Could spread it out all around and to make it a cushion for it. Since it is there longer. Since it is there. Since it is there, you can use that.
She's doing some. Her mother, Prista, is not with us. She's disconsolate because she had a litter of 3 and then one died immediately, and then 2 of them. She survived for almost 6 weeks.
Face facing east. Take that.
This should
Take
be
the
facing
little one.
east? Yes.
Take the little one.
That should be there.
Take the little one. Yeah. Take it face east. Yeah, put that face east. This side. Really, here, this side. Face. Like that. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Fine. Put it. Put it east. Make it lie down. Make it lie down. Make it.
Slide a little bit forward. It's deeper there, Priyanka. So we can slide a little bit forward. There you go.
Lie down on the side. Okay. Now put the flower. Okay, that's fine. Now
Bye, little Walnut.
put some
You stayed with
rice
us for a very short period of time, but
near the mouth. No, take that ball. Put that ball. Okay, put the knife.